The Destinator is powered by the 1.5-liter 4B40 engine with direct injection turbo, capable of producing an impressive 120 kilowatts of maximum output and 250 Newton-meters of maximum torque. The engine delivers instant maximum torque from low speeds, ensuring precise response to the driver's commands while optimizing fuel efficiency. The drawback of conventional turbochargers, turbo lag, has been virtually eliminated thanks to Mitsubishi Motors' water-cooled intercooler. The Destinator stands out and above with an exceptional class-leading minimum ground clearance of 214 millimeters, enabling it to effortlessly navigate challenging terrains such as flooded roads or raised curves with ease and control.
デスティネーターはエンジンの吸気口を高い位置に設置し、冠水路でのエンジントラブルにも配慮しています。また、バンパー形状を工夫して水たまりを走行しても水がフロントガラスにかからないように配慮しています。